Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fatrahan Fabian. I'm from class management 23A. Here I will explain about psychological aspect in selection and placement of workforce. And the first materi introduce to psychological aspect in selection and placement. Selection and placement are critical process in workforce management that determine how well individual fit into organization roles. From a psychological perspective, this process focus on understanding human behavior, ability, personality, and motivation. Industrial psychology emphasizes the use of scientific and psychological principles to ensure that employees are placed in positions that meet their competition and psychological characteristics. Materi psychological foundation of selection. The psychological foundation of selection is based on the understanding that individuals differ in ability, personality, motivation, and attitude. And industrial psychology recognizes and this individual difference as a factor in the predicting job performance. Cognitive ability influence how quickly employees learn and solve problems, while personality that affect behavior, teamwork, and adaptability, and motivation and attitude determine the level of effort and commitment an employees bring to work. Next materi, psychological assessment tools and in selection. Psychological assessment tools play a major role in the selection process, and this role to include ability tests, aptitude and tests, and personality assessment designed to predict future job performance in industrial and psychology. The use of valid relation tests is essential to ensure accurate measurement of psychological characteristics. Validity refers of how well a measure what it is intended to measure, while reality refers to consistency of test results. And proper use psychological assessment help organization selection candidate objective and reduce bias and decision making. Next materi, psychological aspect of interview and evaluation. Interview are one of the most widely used selection method, and they involve various psychological aspects. Structural and competency-based interview are pertinent because they reduce subjective in increase fairness. Behavioral and interview focus on experience to predict future behavior. However, psychological bias and such as halo effect and storytelling psychological emphasis interviews, training, and standard evaluation criteria and minimize bias, ensure that candidate and assess and fairly and objectively. Materi psychological consideration in workforce placement. And workforce placement involves assessing employees to positioning that best meet their psychological characteristic and competencies. Person job fit focus on alignment between individual ability and job recruitment, will person organization fit consistent compatibility and with organization value and culture. From a psychological perspective, proper placement increase job satisfaction, motivation, and commitment. When employees switch and their roles, they are likely perform well and remain with the organization. 3. Psychological impact of poor selection and placement. Poor selection and placement decision can have serious psychological and organization conscious. Employees will place in unsustainable positioning, my experience job dissatisfaction, stress, and fluctuation. This psychological discomfort can lead to motivation and poor performance. Industrial psychology highlights the importance of accurate psychological assessment and careful placement to prevent this negative outcome and maintain health and product workforce. Materi Ethical and psychological issue in selection. Ethical considerations are essential in the psychological aspect of selection and placement. Organization must ensure fairness and equal opportunity and non-discrimination, and throughout the selection process, psychological tests should be ethically, meaning they must be relevant on the assessment by quality and professional. In addition, candidate data assessment threshold must be kept consistent to protect individual privacy. Industrial psychology emphasizes ethical standards to build trust, maintaining organization reputation, and ensure responsibility human resource practice. In the conclusion, psychological aspect play a crucial role in selection and placement of workforce. By understanding individual different ability, personality, and motivation, organization can make more accurate and fair decision. Effective selection and placement improve employee workplace sustain well-being while supporting organization effective. And industrial psychology provides scientific methods and ethical rules and to ensure the process contribute positive and with individual development and long-term organization success.